Is that better?
Not really.
It's a little better. It's fine.
Whatever.
It's just because his camera shit.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
All right. Hi, hello. We're doing Jeopardy. We have our two contestants, Mom and Nate, who just so happens to have my cat. So it's the basic rules of Jeopardy. I don't know why I'm using this as a mic. That's stupid. It's the basic rules of Jeopardy. They have pens they can raise up when they think they have the right answer. And so, yeah, it's basic rules of Jeopardy. And if one person goes to answer the question and they get it wrong, it deflects to the other person who can choose if they want to answer it or not. And then whoever gets the answer wrong first, if the person who answers first gets the answer wrong, then the person who answers second gets to choose the next topic. All right. Hope that was clear. All right. So, which one of you guys wants to go first? Do rock, paper, scissors.
You can go first. Ladies first.
Sure.
All right. Mom, what topic do you want to pick?
Let's go. A list of forces for 1,000, Henry.
All right. The vector sum of forces acting on a particle or body. Yes, Nate?
Total force. What is total force?
No. Mom, do you want to answer the question?
No.
All right. So the answer was, what is force net? Nobody gets points on this one. All right. So, Mom, you get to choose the next category.
Sure.
You press escape. You can just press escape on the keyboard.
Let's go. That's a lot of velocity for 2,000, Henry.
Alrighty. The term used to describe the amount of velocity at the beginning. Yes, Nate?
What is initial velocity?
Wrong. Mom?
That's like the right answer to me. I have no clue.
Alright. It is, what is original velocity?
God, it's the same. It's a synonym. It is a synonym. It's rigged. Rigged against me. They don't want to see me win. He's even giving her the answers. Ridiculous. No. He's off screen, but oh my god. They don't want to see me win.
No points. Alright.
They want to see me fall.
Mom, you get to choose the next category.
Laws of motion for 1,000.
Alright. An object will not change its motion unless a force acts upon it. Yes, Nate?
What is Newton's first law of motion?
Correct! So that is 1,000 points to Nate.
I'm like that.
Alright. So, Nate, you get to choose the category.
Let's do laws of motion for 2K.
Alright. The force on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. Nate.
What is Newton's second law of motion?
Correct. 2,000 points to Nate, and Nate is slowly starting to run away with this one.
Dude, I'm up by 3,000. That's not that much.
Alright.
I'll double it here. Laws of motion, 3,000.
Alrighty. When two objects interact, they apply... Yes, Mom.
You can't do it. You had 2 words. You're at least trying to.
Okay.
What is Newton's third law?
Again, cheating. It's rigged.
Correct.
It's rigged. They want to see me fall.
Third law of motion.
They don't want to see me
So
succeed.
this game has just been tied up by Mom with an incredible feat. Didn't even let me finish the question. All right, Mom, you get to choose the next category.
Some collisions for 1,000.
All right. A collision in which Yes, Nate?
What is an inelastic collision?
Correct.
Yeah.
Good
You
job.
can play at that game, Mom.
Okay.
I guess we should let him read the question because it is part of his grade.
All right, Nate.
Let's go laws of motion for 4,000.
All right.
Go ahead.
The man who made the basic laws of motion. Mom.
Who is Sir Isaac Newton?
Correct. So that's 4,000 points to Mom, and I do believe Mom has just taken the lead with 7,000 points.
That is-
finally.
Ow.
that's how math works, yeah.
All right, Mom.
Miscellaneous terms for 1,000.
All right. This amount of energy will never change in a closed system. Mom?
What is 0?
No. Yes, Nate?
What is total energy?
No.
Oh, darn.
What is mechanical energy?
Wah, wah.
So it goes Nate.
Let's do miscellaneous terms for 5,000.
All right.
Wow.
How to calculate potential energy? Nate?
Mass divided by height?
Wrong. Mom? Would you like to answer the question?
No, I would not.
Okay. It is potential energy equals mass times gravity times height.
Oh, I was close.
It was close.
Not really, but
Just got the signs wrong. All right, so it goes to Mom.
List of forces for 4,000.
All right. A person pushes a box across the floor. What type of force is being described? Yes, Nate?
frictional force?
Wrong. Mom, would you like to answer the question?
What is frictional force?
Wrong. It is what is force applied or applied force. No points
'cause you're
awarded this one. Yeah, you're pushing a box.
That makes sense.
All right, so Mom.
List of forces for 3,000.
All right. The force resisting relative motion between surfaces. Yes, Nate.
What is frictional force?
Correct.
There we go.
Okay, now that should tie the game, right?
Yep, that's how
Okay,
math
now
works.
it's 7,000.
It's been a
I'm
while
not good
since I
at
took math, but I'm pretty
It's
sure that's how it
7,000 to
works.
7,000 now. So Nate, you get to choose the next one.
Let's go. Laws of motion for 5,000.
All right. The total amount of laws we studied this school year. Nate,
What is 3?
wrong. Mom,
What is 6?
wrong. It's what is 3 laws.
Oh my god.
You gotta get
you're
the
like
laws
You're like
in
a
there.
second grade teacher. I'm done.
You have to get the laws because you have to describe what it is. You gotta
3 what?
Stop.
3
Stop.
apples?
exactly.
No, watermelons.
Oh.
I'm
I'm telling you, it's rigged.
All right.
They want to see me fall.
Oh, my turn?
Yes.
Some collisions for 5,000.
All right. A baseball bat hitting a baseball would be this type of collision. Nate,
What is an elastic collision?
correct. 5,000 more points, and Nate has just taken.
Oh, that was the 5,000? Oh.
Yes.
That was the 2,000.
All right, Nate.
Now let's do some collisions for 2,000.
All right. A collision in which there is no net loss in kinetic energy in the system as a result of the collision. 5, 4, 3. Nate,
A continual collision.
wrong.
No.
Mom, would you like to answer the question?
No.
All right. The answer is what is an elastic collision.
I thought that was already. What? I already had that this round.
Definition versus example previously.
Oh.
Yes. Wrong.
Oh.
All right. Mom.
That's a lot of velocity for 1,000.
Okay. The amount of velocity that a system averages. Nate,
What is average velocity?
good job. So that is 1,000 more points to Nate. He now has a 6,000 point lead, correct? Okay.
That's how math works.
All right, Nate.
That's a lot of velo for 3K.
All right. The term used to describe the amount of velocity at the end. Nate,
Final velocity.
wrong. Mom, would you like to answer this question?
Nope.
What is final velocity?
Dude, you have not enforced that rule the whole game, bro.
Because I haven't had to.
Yes, you have.
Let's not argue, please.
Oh my god. Telling you.
Sheesh.
Mine anyway. Miscellaneous terms for 3,000.
All right. The type of energy an object has when it is moving. Nate?
What is kinetic energy?
Correct.
I need to go back to school.
Oh, shit.
Yes, Nate?
What?
Okay, Nate, you get to choose the next category.
That's a lot of velocity for 4,000.
The change between final and original velocity. Nate?
What is delta V, or the change in velocity?
Correct. He has taken a absolutely massive lead here.
Dude, it's like 2 touchdowns. It's not that big. That's a lot of velocity for 5,000.
All right. An equation to calculate average velocity. Nate?
Change in velocity over time. What is change in velocity over time?
Wrong. Mom, would you like to answer this question?
No.
All right. Those were the 2 equations that we learned this year to calculate it. So.
Okay. Looks great to me. I don't know what it means. It's a bunch of letters.
All right, Mother, choose your category.
Let's go for a list of forces for 5,000.
Is the component of a contact force that is perpendicular to the surface that an object contracts? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer was, what is normal force? So no points awarded on this one. And in the case of this, it'll just go to the person that did not choose the category. So who chose the category? Okay, Nate, you get to choose the next category.
Your mom chose the category.
All right, Nate, choose the next category.
Miscellaneous terms 4K.
Okay. The rate of change the velocity of an object has with respect to time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is acceleration?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Mom, you get to choose the next category. There's only 4 categories left. Pick wisely.
Some collisions for 4,000.
All right. Gum getting stuck to the wall is an example of this type of collision. Nate?
What is an inelastic collision?
Correct. So Nate just takes an even bigger lead here. I can't even see what the score is. All right.
24-7.
Okay. Nate?
Some collisions for 3,000.
All right.
Come on, bro.
A collision where the objects are stuck together and move away from each other. 5, 4. Mom?
What is gravity?
Wrong. Nate, would you like to answer this question?
Sure, but I'm pretty
Alright.
sure I've already answered this. What is an inelastic collision?
Wrong. It's what is an explosion? Collision.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
An explosion collision. Okay. Mom. Wait, no. It goes to Nate. Nate.
List of forces 2,000.
All right. An attractive force that exists between every object. Nate?
What is gravitational force?
Correct. All right, let's just go quickly here. All right, the last one, miscellaneous terms.
2,000. Good.
The term used to describe the amount of energy an object has when it is at the very beginning of a system. Yes, Nate?
What is potential energy?
Correct, and
They
congratulations.
didn't want to see me win. They rigged it against me, but that's right. I'm
Nate,
like
stop.
that.
Stop, he's gonna finish it.
Congratulations to Nate for winning the Physics Jeopardy. Hope you all enjoyed watching.
He ran out of time. He's running out of time on his,
No,
on his phone.
all we had to do was finish this part where you guys had to be part of it. My phone's still going.
Oh.
All right, thank you. Congratulations to Nate for winning.
Yeah!
Okay, thank you all. Okay, congratulations to Nate for winning this round of Jeopardy.
Woo!
I hope to do this again because this was a lot of fun. And see you next time. Bye-bye. That's a
Sorry.
wrap.
The first time you did that was so much better.
Well, yeah, because it was candid.
Well, no, yeah. I just freaking
Whoa,
died,
yeah.
and Henry stopped.
Yeah.
I stopped
like-
because I started dying as well.
Literally, it was just your head in the shark.
Was it more than just my head in the second time around?
So could you guys actually
It was like
not
the next
see
two.
what the questions and stuff were?
No, I
No,
could.
we're just stupid.
I'm not.
Why'd you rig it against me though?
I didn't.
I know. I needed Zach to have flashcards on there to flash the answers to me. Shit. Go back. Fuck. Go back. God damn it. Is our screen recording done?
What about the other one?
Woo!
Nate, you should have
No.
Is the
Yeah, it's still going.
your screen recording still going?